Guys, it is a beautiful day here in Erie, Pennsylvania. The sun is shining. We are located pretty much at the mouth, the entrance of the Presque Isle State Park, and there's a lot of traffic on the go today. See lots of new people, so that's awesome. So I know the mailman is coming back today, and last night I got 2 orders. I love it on my Etsy. So I'm just packing these guys up right here. So I figured I'd start my vlog. This one here. This one's gonna be going to Deborah. Love it, love it. And so I'm gonna get that one all packaged up for Deborah. And then Christy, this one's gonna go to Christy. Christy messaged me and she's like, if you have anything with the roses, I'd love to get one with the roses on. So you are in luck, my friend. They just launched, so I was able to snag you one of these. So the Puffy Hearts rose quartz. Yes, it is real rose quartz. Somebody messaged me and asked me that. Absolutely. So we love to pick gems. You guys know that we travel across the country. So yeah, I picked these on one of the gem shows that I went to out west, the Puffy Hearts. I gave a bunch of Puffy Hearts away for free. Some of you guys, if you purchased on my Etsy, you might have gotten part of that stock just to enclose in with your orders as a gift. And then I had 12 left and I thought that makes the perfect amount for a collection. So, all right, let's get these packed up and off. I feel like I could fit some stickers in here as well with these guys. So I think I'm gonna run to the Dollar Tree maybe later today when it's not so busy. Luckily, I'm not too far from one. Oh, that one's so cute, love that. All right, we're gonna put in a little sticker with each one of these. And if I can fit some incense in the box, oh my gosh, this is not cute. A frog with a kite. Yes, please. All right, looking for the right one. That's, oh, this one's ready to go on an adventure. Look at him, he's ready to go. He's got his backpack. So we're gonna throw those in there, love that. But yeah, what I wanna do is get out and get some more plastic containers just for all my bead parts. As a creative entrepreneur, I get creative in different ways. And a lot of you guys know me for painting, but there's more that I love to do as well. And so now having a store that kind of captures a lot of different areas, magical areas, I get to have fun with making jewelry. But yeah, I saw Emily post and asked if I had a tutorial for my wire wrapping. You know what? I'm going to work on that. And if you guys enjoy the jewelry side, let me know. Maybe I'll do a series of what I'm working on. I'll show you what I got into last night. This was my project last night. I love to create in the evenings. Like, I love just creating things that other people love. So this is a collection. I have them all backwards right now. Of course I do. Let me see. This is the front right here. So these are all done with gemstones, crystals. So we've got the opalite right here and some gold stone. If you know about the opalite, some people buy stones because they just love stones in general and they're just drawn to just a beautiful look of a stone. And other people love to search stones for what they love, but also looking up the metaphysical properties associated with them, the magical qualities, the spiritual qualities. So opalite, a reminder to always shine bright and be your beautiful self. Goldstone, one of my favorites. This one is basically a stone of manifestation and moving forward. I call it my decision-making stone. These are all made with goldstone. This is blue goldstone, orange goldstone. We also carry green goldstone in the shop as well. So you can get them tumbled, but people love their jewelry just because they love their jewelry. Hello, I'm the same way. But some people just love to have their favorite crystals with them and it feels good to them. So let's see here, yeah. And then I did some combos. So these are all done on stretchy. These are all stretchy and they all have a charm onto them. Let me move mine up. Cool thing with stretchy is that they all stretch, right? So there you go. Yay. Versus having a toggle. When I did do my Etsy listings, move mine back down where it feels good. When I did my Etsy listings for all my toggle jewelry that I've been making, the ones that have like this on it, this little toggle, I put a measuring tape, a yardstick up next to it so people could see the rough measurement. Yeah, toggles are like this here. These are stretchy, so obviously they're one size fits most. But yeah, this is the hamsa, of course, known as a very protective symbol, a very protective ward. So a lot of people seek that symbol. So I decided to do a whole collection of these. I still have more to do. I'm going to finish these off today. But I'll show you a really fun one I did as well last night, experimenting. So this is rose quartz. So just like these are Puffy Hearts rose quartz, this here is rose quartz. This is some glass beads, and this is a ceramic bead. But look, it's that little gold kitty that I really liked with the paw and the flower. Isn't she sweet? So I haven't announced these yet or put them out in my store. I've got to do one more step with them. But yeah, I just thought I'd do some pink and red for some different, just a different flow of, you know, colors. So pretty. She's gorgeous. So anyway, I've got all these little critters. Stay tuned. I'm sure you'll watch me show them. Right now, though, we got to focus on getting these out the door. Everybody loves a fast shipper, and I want to be that person for other people who are excited to get their Happy Mail. I'm going to also write some Happy Mail love notes to you guys. Throw that in, and yeah, go see if I can fit some incense into your box as well. I hope you like incense. Looks like the perfect little gift. Some more on top. You have to find the treasure, Christy. Find the treasure. So I selected some coconut incense today. I'm going to send to put in with each of these orders. And I looked at this in my coconut box. These are the long sticks. Obviously, I can't fit those in here. Otherwise, I would include some of my handmade stuff. Handmade incense, which I still do have to get on my Etsy store as well. That's a vote and a reminder to get things on my Etsy store. But right here, the sticks are really popular, coconut. So I figured, you know what? These are super popular right now. Maybe you guys would like these. So these are the cones that you can burn just to give a really cool smell to the house. Okay, I think that's cute. Put the little incense inside the card, big card. All right, and this is going to be Deborah's. And now we take a moment to watch Stanley in the grass. So what Stanley doesn't know is he's actually getting a catio today. Matt is currently building it. It just arrived. But Stanley loves to be out, so he loves the shop. Let's see if he goes behind these bushes. He likes to just sit and hide in bushes. And I think on those old bones, Stanley is 17 years old. He's a Maine Coon. That fluffy tail. Oh, I love him. But he loves to sit up against the bricks. I guess, you know, he's 17 years old and probably that heat feels good to him. So he's out enjoying some sunshine therapy. But I gotta watch him because if he goes, he can't go past that bush. Mom's gonna be over. There he goes, and behind the bush. Coming over, Stanley. You can eat grass. Oh, here he comes. Good job. You're walking in the right direction. Yes, we don't like that, do we? No, traffic's not good. He's a good boy. He's got his ears up. We wouldn't let him be out here by himself. Gotta keep the man safe. That's right. Keep walking in this direction. Here he comes. Kitty, 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 kitty. How you doing, buddy? Here is Stanley. Stanley's in his new catio. Matt just put together. He's got 3 levels. What do you think, buddy? He's just getting used to it. He went to the top. You can see a lot from here. Yeah? You like it? He's like, I'm not too sure. I gotta check this thing out. But I can climb. Guys, we're taking a ride. We're gonna go to the Dollar Tree. It is so hot in his car right now. Holy smokes. Outside it says it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit, which for us, 80 degrees. Woo! She's hot. This car is like, I need air and oxygen. All right, let's go on an organization run. I need some bins for my beads. This is gonna be fun. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. I'm talking about the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I've been getting such good enjoyment coming into here. No lie. They've really stepped up their games, these dollar stores have. The thrift stores have gotten worse and the dollar stores have gotten better. These are not plastic bins, but they're little desk organizers. They're kind of cute. I've not seen them before. I think these must be new. Got a velvet one. Here's what I'm truly after. Alright. Let's see. Oh, these look like really cool. Stackable bead drawers. How hard are they to open and close? Maybe it's... I need 2 hands. Okay, I get it. They won't open because there's a piece of tape on here, but they kind of sit together. And the drawers look like they open pretty nice. So for $1.25, I think I'm gonna get a bunch of these to begin with. We'll see what else is here. Organizer with lid. And I've got 3 divided areas. Squeeze. I'll take you. These are really good as well. These trays. I like the clear as well. Came here at a good time. I wonder if they have more of this stuff. I bet you all the organizers come here and are like, I want it all too. I do have a label maker, so I could always label all these drawers as well. What else is here? Oh, I love these. These are fun. Might clear these out too. Guys, I just had a shipment of a lot more beads. So, do they all have the lids? These are the lids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are nice too. Those long ones. I'm gonna say that I especially love the clear stuff though, because you can actually see just a very easy view of things. These are nice here. $3, $4. Actually, I'm gonna grab those too. They're not clear, but I do like the fact that they're white, so the bead colors will show up really nice. And it's $3, $4, so sure, why not? Oh, there's more here too. This is the clear stuff. See, this is nice, but it's like a lighter plastic, and I don't know. I like the idea of having stuff with a lid on it because you hit it with your, I don't know, your elbow, and it just goes flying, full of beads. Not fun, not fun. So the lady at Dollar Tree tipped me off that in Big Lots they have more organizers that are really nice and a little bigger. So I'm gonna go check it out just to see what's here. I'm in that organizing mindset, so let's go to Big Lots. Well, I didn't know I needed this in my life until I see it now. This is $6.99. These were probably the big ones that she was talking about here. I don't know if I need them that big though. Would I use this? Or do I want to keep with more smaller? I could also see it with 2 of these and your small ones on top. This for your bigger stuff, for your tools. Listen to me convincing myself. Actually, you know what? I might get 2 of these. Oh my gosh, these spinny things. These spinny things are from heaven. I mean, can you imagine? So yeah, it's been forever since I've been into a Big Lots, but I do like this. I mean, if you had a coffee station, if you want to put your spices on here, what else would you put on there? It's so fun. All right, we are back in the car. I went to Good Lots. Got good stuff. I got 2 of the clear bins, big ones, 2 of the round turntable style, and now I think I got lots. So I'm gonna head back to the shop and I'm gonna organize tonight. I'm gonna edit this vlog, and I'm gonna make some more jewelry. All right, see you on the next one.